Hello and welcome to Peace Channel. In this week's series, you are going to increase your happiness. In fact, you have a challenge as you do with every single series. Your challenge is to create a happiness project. You did the project a few weeks ago, called the Sleep Peacefully Project. Well, this all about happiness. Let's start by being in a comfortable position. Allow your body to be soft and relaxed. And whenever you are ready, gently close your eyes, allowing your awareness begin to center on your breath. Just noticing to how it feels. Allowing your stomach and ribcage to expand as you breath in, and contract as you breath out. Begin grateful for your breath. I want to give a suggestion that is create happiness for someone else. I invite you to begin to relax your mind and your body. Begin inhale and exhale gently from your nose. Focus on your breath. Think about what happiness means to you these days. What brings you joy and happiness? Now we are at the end of the practice. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and open your eyes whenever you are ready. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to the channel and comment your feeling after this practice. Thank you for watching.